have confidence in that country?
Well, you know what?
Please look into the cabinet.
We have to believe that the judges and justices who will hear the petitions continue to be men and women of integrity. We must believe that the best outcome is what we will get. Not to believe is to become hopeless. So we'll continue to believe until the contrary is proven. So yes, I'm a lawyer, I've been one for 30 years. It comes with the territory that I have to believe in the system, even if I might have my misgivings. But we believe in the system, and we eagerly await the outcome of the tribunal.
Are you a full-time politician now?
Is there anything so-called?
Because I see you are involved in politics, I think.
I'm a Nigerian who is interested in what our nation looks like. I'm a Nigerian who is interested in the betterment of our country. And like I said in another forum, I got tired of complaining in my bedroom. I decided to come out. And in Nigeria, you can only participate through political parties. Independent candidacy is not allowed. And the only way you can express whatever it is that you have to improve the lot of the nation is through a party. And so I've chosen Labour Party. There's really no other option.
Are you looking at
We are looking. We keep on looking. Ultimately, one way or the other, decisions will be made. But right now, the focus is local government elections.
You guys,
It's a good sign that victory is coming to Labour Party in all the 18 local governments and all the wards in Edo State. We have this assurance, looking at this support, looking at this turnout, looking at this ovation, that comes September 2nd, victory is going to be given to all Labour candidates of local government and the councillors.